Or am I exiting my life? Anyo, sakuyiplo yo, kidna o. Sunshine, blue skies. Halloweeny. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mfundo, aka Coco Bomb, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you like what you see and you stay for more because I'm not like her. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. Today's the Saturday, the 29th of March, and I'm heading home to pick up my mom and Simpia's mom because we're going to a flea market. I'm looking for a second-hand gas heater. Gas heaters are so expensive. Tell me why a gas heater is 1,600 and I still have to buy the gas cylinder for like another 500 plus. No. So I'm at the filling station right now because I was out of gas. I was playing I Know My Car since yesterday. Thank you. Alright, so I'm heading there now. I'm so tired, guys. Elifini. Car. Am I going the right way? Where does this lead to? Oh no. What the f does that lead to? Oh, I almost took a wrong turn. That was definitely a wrong turn. Oh no, but it's written exit. Man, why you to Savian? Kingbo. Dino magic. Makanika sendawena lahleka kanje. Okay, but yeah, it's good for my long distance. Are they sure this is the exit? Or am I exiting my life? Because it definitely looks like I'm exiting my life rather than the garage. OMG, they must never ever again. Oh no. Oh hell. Okay, I found my way back to the main road, but they must never ever again. Actually, they must just close that. They must just close it. Anywho, guys, I'm tired. That's in jail. I'm tired. Do you know what I'm trying to tell you? I'm trying to tell you that I am tired. I am exhausted. I am tired. Ngine NDA fatigue no much. In jail. I have NDA fatigue in March. Because why? Tell me why. Really busy so man. I'm not going to pumula. Huh? She says pumula tablet. Tell me why I have been working for 14 days and only rested one day of that 14 days. So I worked 13 days straight. And then this is my first Saturday off since that 13 days kibereka. Last week I only rested Sunday and I did another full 5 days 2 of these. They're so cute. I have a heater. Guys, in less than an hour of us being here, Mina, I've found what I've came here for. My mission is almost accomplished. I came here for a heater, a gas heater, and I found it for $450. The first person I went to said it's $800. I'm like, girl, a second hand for $800? Like, no, absolutely not. Then I told him, what's it, 500, it's not 450, what's it? It's okay. It's okay, no problem. So now I have a gas heater, baby. Oh, if you can see, yeah, there it is in the back. And then I also got 2 platey, semi-platies, gold plates for 20 rand each. They have hearts, they're so cute. So right now I'm going to withdraw money because this whole time we thought imali kisha, like there's an ATM inside, only to find out that there isn't one. So I'm making my way to the ATM right now just to withdraw quick cash, and then I'll be back again. What's unpleasant is that these conditions that I'm driving in are not favorable for my car, and doing them up and down like this is not ideal either. It's, guys, the winter jackets here are to die for, but the prices, I didn't come here for that. $150 for winter jackets. They're so beautiful, but must learn discipline.
The way you move the body, I should use it.
The last time I spoke to y'all was when I was still going to withdraw money, and my phone, Nya's iPhone, yeah, overheat. It overheated and I was still speaking and I'm not sure what in Kate Gupi Ditini. But on my way back to my apartment right now. I have dropped off mom and Mamnane. So like, how do you stand in the middle of a four-way stop? Anywho, oh yeah, so if only if I overheated while I was still recording that time, so I don't even know Uguti where did I end up being Sakulmangtin. But anyway, we're back from the flea market. I got exactly what I went there for, which is a gas heater. Guys, I found a gas heater. Obviously it's a second hand. Found a gas heater for $450. I found a gas cylinder, a 9 kg gas cylinder for 500. Sorry, 500. So I'm get up for winter for less than 1,000 rand. And if I had went to buy brand new things, the heater I saw it's 1.6. The gas cylinder is 800, 900. depending on the store you are buying it from. So I've saved like 1,000 plus, right? Then I also got like a few stuff, but I will show you guys everything when I get to the house. But y'all guys, happy Saturday. I'll end the vlog today because I am just filling up a vlog. It's a vlog from 2 weeks ago, but it doesn't have context. Like, I was just shooting, it doesn't have an intro, it doesn't have nothing. So I was just adding context to that video with this with today's vlog. So I'm gonna end it, try to edit it, and hopefully I'm gonna try to edit it, but I'm not sure about having it uploaded tomorrow. I'll see though, I'll see. But if I can't, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Guys, Lalelan, I wanted to show you this before ngehla because here's the shalala motoin. How is it supposed to sit? I got this phone mounter, phone holder. Yay, when? Oh, ihlala so. Yeah. Oh, girl. Okay. I got this phone mounter and I'm just gonna put it on here. Yo, pull. Oh, I have to loosen it up here. I need to hang a box because available our advertisers. So Mark me like 5 boxing, but me like card pay. I be selling boxing, so I was like, okay, it's cool. It's cool. I got it for $70. And yeah, I'm just gonna put it in. I hope it doesn't fall off, because no, you can't. I hope it doesn't fall off, but I'm tired of putting my phone long in bed. But now the thing is, when I put it here, I've compromised my speaker. I can't see my screen or what. But I think here it's fine. Yeah, I think here. Let's try here and see. Oh, I figured it out. I'm the one who was doing it wrong. There's something you have to snap here so that it can hold. Yeah, it is held. Oh my god, when it's man diskemile sana, bendithi ndiskemwe linaija sana lwam, but it's fine ke ngoku. Guys, ngicela ukunenzela nje fast ukuthi ngithengene so that I can close this vlog and be stress-free and get on with my life. But I just realized that because that vlog that I'm finishing doesn't have an intro, the intro I just shot today will be the intro of that video. So the intro, next thing it's something else different. But just to give you context of that vlog, you remember guys, we went to a charity shop and we bought Madonna canvases. Yes, we painted those canvases, changed them to something that we personally like, because we know Madonna from the stories we've heard, but we're not a fan of Madonna, so there was no point in keeping her in our house. Then that's when we decided to paint over them. But we hate them. Not we hate them, but we don't like them completely. So as I change one color, change one color, and they'll be up in the wall. I'll show you the final product when everything is done. Right now, the final product you're about to see is not the actual final product. Hey, uyadika umnikazi wale moto. Ndinixelele. Guys, we're done with the paintings. Not done, but besenza clay la. This is clay, and then we must wait for it to dry. Excuse me, for 24 hours, and then we'll continue painting it tomorrow when the clay has dried. Kitty, 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 kitty. Now, good night, peace out. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Boy. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. Hello. I'm at the other side of the house. the other side, guys. Today is a Monday. The time is around 7. Obviously came back from work. I was tired, but as soon as I stood up and cooked, I felt a little bit of energy coming my way. Then I said to baby we should finish up our canvases. But now the danger is, the canvas, the clay, when it dried, it cracked. And when baby tries to fix the cracks or refill the cracks rather, it cracks further. So sizoyek ikrekile njalo, which will just pretend as if it's some art. Hope it looks good. Hope it doesn't look hideous. All that paint and clay for nothing, because if it's looking hideous, it's not going onto my wall. I'm sorry. But we are just praying. I'm just praying that it doesn't look hideous. What's also worrying me is the sides. There are sides where there is clay, there are sides where there's no clay. So the texture is not going to be the same. And that's worrying me also. Let me show you. Now you see here, like lime clay zaza. But on other parts there's like nothing. So it's going to be rough and clean, so you don't understand the vibe of the, if it was rough, yonke, it's cool. Rough around the edges. And then if it was smooth, yonke, smooth, Manje I kakang. But ke art and culture. Na ke tla chobela. Ne, le yona le chobela. Anyway, so these are the cracks I'm talking about. My cracks are so. But you only want me to try clearly, Baba. It don't move. It don't move. And it's not heavy. It's not heavy. Even when you lift the picture up, like, it's not heavy at all. So, yeah. Asiboneni ukuthi iyozala katoni. Hayi inkomoni. Iyozala njanoni. Yuzang Komoni Ombuzoni, we'll see. What you just see now, we repainted them for the second time. Then we're about to do a third repaint. You get? And then after that, you'll be seeing me organizing my spices. I've been but I've been wanting to organize my spices, and it was giving me a low stroke. It was giving me chest pains that my spice cabinet was looking the way it did. Oh, Jehovah. But yeah, I finally managed to fix it. It's so cute right now. It's clean. It's, you know, it's up to standing. Right, so on to today's business. Let me show you the heavy stuff first so I can put them away. I don't know if you guys saw the heater when I was showing you there. But this is it. This is the heater. It's a little bit rusted on the surface, but it's nothing unfixable. Not totally still woolish. Totally still like and it's gone, and it's still functional because small pressure mana there's still a spark up here. So if there's a spark, then it means it's still working properly. This is it. This is it. This is the bag where you put the gas cylinder. Whew. Yeah, and it was $4.50 as I mentioned. Ne? Then we have to buy a pipe, a gas pipe, because I realized that it didn't come with a pipe, and when my mom bought it, I came in a pipe. No, Mama simply got one today, and I put me in a pipe. So I couldn't go back to that store because my color, and take back this one because I paid via EFT. So then next I got oxygen cylinder. A gas cylinder for it's 9 kg. Ibhala 10.4 ngaphandle kodwa umnikazi wayo uzithengisayo uthi yeah, it carries 9 kgs of gas. It was 500. A gas cylinder is a gas cylinder, guys. A gas cylinder is a gas cylinder. It's cute, it's nice. Totally different from what we had bought the first time, and I see what my mom meant. The quality, the heaviness, it's totally different. Even the paint. They painted it's covered and being drawing. Like my party. And it leaks, so I took it to the gas pros, my mom. Then anyway, on continuation, number 3, I got this hanger. My mom was fighting me for getting this hanger, and it's 5 rand, and I'm telling her this is 5 hangers in one. I hang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can even add. Got this for anything actually in the house, but I was thinking you go because our heads are lying all around, our caps are spinning. Yeah.
And then the 5 lines.
We'll add like I don't know, some. Something? Yeah, so this was 5 rand. 5 rand like this in challenge. And then this plastic, guys, this whole plastic cost me 155. Everything that's in here, it costs 155. Okay. Firstly, I got placemats. Don't ask me why I got placemats because I don't have a coffee table yet. I'm manifesting it, right? Right. I got 6 placemats for 50 rand. So it's this color, gray, silver and gold, and silver and gray. No, it's actually gray and gold here, and then here it's gray and silver. Yeah. So they were like these. They came like these, and they were 50 rand, all of them like this. But most thing are 1, it's 10 rand. So like if you buy like 1, it's 10 rand. But if you take 6, bagupa is special. 1 is free. So I'm manifesting a coffee table and dinner table with these placemats of mine. Someone is judging me internally.
No.
Okay, let's have a judge. yeah, placemats. And then I got oven gloves because we be using the oven a lot. A lot. There's a glass pan here that you saw the previous vlog, and baby used it and would say, yeah, Jesus.
But the handle stays.
Oh, the handle is fine. Oh. And then I got these gloves, oven gloves. 1 is 10 rand. So 10 rand for each. And then each of it, but it's a pot holder. Pot holder. Yo, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for these. I don't want to lie to you. Because I've seen these things, like this is luxury to me. Like this is just a TV. When I come up here, besides, yes, I keep it on. Yo, it's a good yo, I'm very excited. And then if you guys see me, and also guys, my pots are very hot because it's casserole, even the handle. So hey, Let's get no biang biang. I get to pizza ka. Sauce. I bought it. It's mine. Thanks. And then love two baggy pot. My bash. So yeah, there's 2 of those for 20 rand. That's 70. And then I got 3 hair brushes for 10 rand. Like so. They combo like this for 10 rand. Like this. This one looks like a toilet brush though. But what's saying, man? Ew! Oh my god, it did. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Hey, diarrhea. This, yeah, it's also a hair. I'm guessing to curl.
No.
No?
No.
To what?
Your hair will tie into that thing.
Into this thing, ne?
Yeah.
I think we can use it to clean
Let me see.
glasses. Clean, like far too rich things.
Yeah.
Like small, yeah. Because nothing for hair, ne sure. That is for hair. Because I got less zinjan. And then I got these 2. This was circular. And I'm a Brussels walking on my tablet. And then there's this one. Yeah, siaprasha, baba. Siaprasha. Sandra. I got a spoon for 5 rand. In addition to our spoons. Got it for 5 rand. And then I got cups for me and baby. They were 10 rand each. And I was like, say less. I was gonna take one because baby was lazy. But it will be weird to have just one cup. And Suzomesha pay, you know. Come on, guys. So I got these for 10 rand each. They're cute, right? They are cute, don't lie. They look like yeah. Now I see that. But they're nice. And then, guys, the last time I showed you my shot glasses that we bought at charity, at For You charity, I broke them all. Immediately after I showed them to you guys, ngawapula wonke. I broke all 4 of them. It's goodbye with it. So I bought shot glasses. But this time.
I'm starting to suspect who are putting my
No. Shot glasses, they're cute, yeah?
I was like,
Yeah. I was like, yo, my sister. They were 5 rand each. So this was 15 rand for all 3 of them. I hated that there were 3, but she only had 3. And yeah, I took the 3. I wish she had 4. But I'm sure she would like imagine mixing your whiskey. And then you're decanting there, you're doing the cute stuff. And last but definitely not least, is it last? Oh, not last. Second from last is this under the door mat, carpet, what? Not carpet, but under the door something. This was 20 rand. Nothing special about it. It's 20 rand everywhere, I think. Ooh, and last but not least, you guys, I'm sorry. The hearts did it for me. Like, I didn't need much convincing. I saw the hearts. I was like, thank you. Thanks. These cute glass, are they glass bowls? Not glass bowls. I'm going to plate bowls.
ceramic.
Are they bowls? Because they're like this.
Yes, they're definitely bowls. Just
Okay. Yeah, these cute bowls. Oh my god. Guys, I hate plates. Not that I hate plates, but I don't like eating a plating, literally, because I'm feeling anti food. So at least something that's more wider, but not too deep. Wait, wide, like a plate, but not too deep. like a soup bowl. Yeah, this is so cute. Me and the baby, we're about to have the time of our lives. And I'm sorry guys, not when I buy Jintotako kitchening like plates, I always buy them into, yeah, for now, because there's not much counter space with nothing is Z4. I mean, it's just the two of us. Think of everything, just the two of us. Yeah, just the two of us. Yes, that's it. That's the last thing. Yeah. So in totality, I spent like 950, like 1,002. Yeah, 1,002 for everything, and that's a bargain, baby. That is a bargain if you ask me. Yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is where I'm ending the vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow when I start a brand new vlog. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, Kalkoop. Like, I've never begged for subscribers, but now I'm on my knees.
Begging, please.
Begging. I'm a beggar. I'm a hamburger. Asking for subscribers. Please guys, subscribe. My videos are nice. Nanyas are nice. Just click that red button there. When you finish watching my video, just when it's saying the end, there's a red button on your right. It will be on your right. You click on that button, it changes to gray, then it means you've done the right thing. Some people it changes to gray or to white, then it means you're in the right track. Thank you. I love you. See you tomorrow. Bye.